So ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, this is the whacking battle. Let's start off with Yogurt. Vanaloa, what do you have for me? Yeah. Yoga, you ready, baby? Your time starts now. All right, Yoga. Keep going, baby. Your time ain't done. Keep going, baby. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, and thank you, Yogurt. Archon, let's go. Your minute starts now. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, and thank you, Archon. All right, we got to move on to round two. Round two, Vanaloa, what you got for me? Let's go, Yogurt. Yeah, minute starts now.
The fabulous girls. Look at all the fabulous people. You want to dance?
Yes, I'd love to.
Let's party right there.
All right.
Again on my feet in the disco heat, dancing through the night till morning light shines on me. Again, music makes me dance, 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 dance. Dancing total freedom, be yourself and use your feeling. Come on, get up and see some swinging, swinging, groove, sliding, gliding, rocking, feeling. Come on, get up everybody, dance.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thank you, Yogurt. Archon, your time starts now.
Dancing through the night, the morning light shines on me. Again, music makes me dance, 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 dance. Dancing total freedom, be yourself and use your feeling. Come on, get up and see some swinging, swinging, groove, sliding, gliding, rocking, feeling. Come on, get up everybody, dance,
Yeah. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, and thank you, Archon. Hey, Archon, you almost sound like Archie. Are you ready? Uh-oh.
How you feeling out there, everybody? Good? I can't hear you. You feeling good? All right. So, this dance is a social dance. It's not a battle dance. So, because it's a social dance, I'm going to have these two wonderful contestants dance with each other. Not at each other, with each other. Do you understand that? Social, with each other. Want a lure? Give us something tasty.
Ooh, Archie said, give us something tasty. Love when he speaks. Are you guys and gals ready? Oh. Are you sure this isn't a love song? All right, let's go. Your minute starts now. In yoga. Give them both a round of applause. Wait, don't go nowhere yet. Y'all good? Y'all good? Judges, y'all good? Okay, give them both a round of applause.